Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial how to make your own customized thermomats for your car or camper van. In this video we will show you how to save money and where to get the fabric with your own design. You can buy an entire do-it-yourself kit for the insulation on Amazon. It is enough material for all windows in your car and costs you less than half the price you'd pay if you'd buy thermomats. All links in the description below. The first step is to measure the window and prepare the stencils for each window. The next step is to go outside and make a proper stencil out of the plastic pieces we just cut. Try to work as accurate as possible, and it is definitely easier if you have help. Don't forget to name each stencil. If your car has some bare metal parts, magnets can help to fix the stencil. Cut out the stencil. Don't forget the reality check. Double check if you measured right before you keep going. Now it's time to prepare the insulation. Fix the stencil with needles to the insulation and cut out the windows. The insulation has many layers, as for cold, warm and light protection, just as the ones that professional companies are using. Et voila, the insulation is cut. To make the insulation of the windows look less boring, we have a special idea. We ordered fabric, printed with our photo. I took this photo in Spain. It's a panoramic view with mountains and a lake, and we made it print on around 5 or 6 meters fabric. Wow, I'm super excited! We ordered the fabric via an online shop that prints your own design on top of all kinds of fabric. We chose so-called design material, which will not take any moisture. Choose a high-resolution picture, best of all if it's already a panoramic shot. The better the quality, the less pixels you see. Be sure to place the insulation right and double-check in the car so you don't make a mistake here. This is some kind of wax. Use the insulation as a stencil for the fabric. And again, it's nice to have help. That's super exciting. Oh, are we sure? Be careful when you cut the fabric. Doesn't it look great already? To prepare the sewing, fix the fabric with needles to the insulation. This is not easy as the insulation is very thick. And yes, you will stitch yourself a couple of times.
In the next step, we'll sew this ribbon around the corners to close the ends and fix the insulation to the fabric. To get sure in the work, start with the least important or most hidden window. In case you did mistakes, you don't repeat them. Start with the sewing on one side and then fix the other. It's not necessary to sew the fabric to the insulation except for the windshield, which is very big. In the do-it-yourself kit, they have suction cups, which you can fix to the insulation to fix it later to the windows. For the front windows and the windshield, cut tiny crosses in the mat and fix the suction cups. For the windows, where we have bare metal, we fix a magnet band to the thermomat. We are very happy about the result. The mountain panorama gives a nice feeling when you sit inside the dark van instead just staring into grey fabric. If you like this video, we would be glad if you would give it a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comments below so other people can see the video as well. For more tips about van life and van conversion, subscribe to our channel or check our website vanillaice.com.